Matt Lambert from the Lodge Bar with a little grill tip here. This is the simplest one you'll ever hear. So I'm grilling a steak. What I've done is 24 hours ahead of time, I've salted the whole thing with flake salt, patted it down nicely. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grill it on the fat side down, but it's very important to remember when you do this that I'm not trying to get any kind of cooking, I'm just trying to melt the fat. The more frequently we flip it, it chills so it doesn't cook all the way through to the center and we get a more even cook right the way through the meat. I'm gonna take this off now and let it rest for around 5 to 10 minutes. People generally tell you to rest for half as long as you cook. I would go for same period of time, if not longer. I'm gonna cut the steak now. So I'm just gonna follow the bone along here, through that intersection, straight across here. Usually this is a pretty telltale sign of how rare or not rare your steak is. And although it's seasoned to perfection by doing the 24-hour technique, I always like to just put a little bit on top. It's also nice to grill some herbs. Hard herbs, rosemary, you'll just give that with it as well. If nothing else, you just get the scent of it, because we're not trying to baste it or anything. We want to keep that true charcoal flavor.